there. This is RN Sharma, and today we are preparing a burrito for your break, our Valentine's recipe which you must try. And along with burrito, we will make a cupid latte. Let's go. So, we will add a little amount of refined oil into our kadai. Once our refined oil is heated, we will add 1 tablespoon of jeera into it and wait till jeera is flutter. Once our jeera is cooked, we will add a little amount of chopped onion into it. जैसे ही हमारा प्याज थोड़ा सेट होगा, उसमें डालेंगे 1 चम्मच लाल मिर्च, आधी चम्मच हल्दी और 1 बड़ा चम्मच धनिया. And we'll mix it well. Now we'll add curd into our mixture. We will whisk it and add into our mixture. Once our oil separates from the onions, we will add whisked curd and we'll continue to mix it so that curd does not curdle up. We will mix this mixture until oil separates from the curd.
Now we will add our nourished rajma into it, which is rich in folic acid, which is a kind of vitamin B which helps in the proper bonding function from adults to the kids.
Now we will add paneer into our mixture and coat everything well. हमें इस ग्रेवी को एक थिक कंसिस्टेंसी पे रखना है. Now we'll add some salt according to our taste, and we'll turn off the gas and keep this aside. Now we will move ahead to the next step for making butter garlic rice, for which we will add butter into our pan, and once the butter start melting, we will add some chopped garlic into it, and we will wait till the garlic sweats. Once our garlic sweats, we will add our nourished basmati rice. मैं पिछले काफ़ी वक्त से nourished basmati rice यूज़ कर रहा हूँ. इसका एक दाना खिलकर आता है. Nourished basmati rice is one of the best rice I have ever used. We will add some black pepper powder into our rice. It will give a nice taste to it. And we will turn off the gas and move to the next step.
Now we will add nourished maida to make our dough for the tortillas. I am using nourished maida, which is 100% non-bleached, and it gives good flavor to our tortillas. We will add little amount of water at a time and make a soft dough out of it.
Now to make tortillas, we will take our maida dough. Here I am using maida from Nourish brand. It is 100% non-bleached. We will make half equal parts. We have to make round tortillas out of our dough. Once our tortillas are 70% done, we will remove them. Now we will make our mint spread. We will add mint sauce into our mayonnaise. Now we will make our salsa salad. We will add 1 cup of onion into our bowl. We will add 1 cup chopped tomatoes. We will add green chilies chopped, some coriander and some
lemon juice, and we'll mix the mixture.
Now it's time to assemble our tortilla. We'll add mint spread into our tortilla at our base.
Now add our paneer rajma.
Now add your butter garlic rice. After butter garlic rice, we'll add our salsa topping. After salsa topping, we will grate some cheese. You can adjust the quantity of your cheese according to your taste. Cheese would give it an outstanding flavor.
We have to roll it very tightly. So that nothing goes out. Now we'll toast our wrap from one side. For which we'll add butter into our pan. And we'll place our burrito very carefully on it. Now we will carefully transfer our burrito into a plate and keep it aside and make our rest of burritos.
This recipe was totally incomplete without the Nourish products. I have got all my Nourish products from their site. I'll add the link of the site in my bio. You can also get it.
Once our burritos are made, we will move ahead to our cafe latte, which is a Cupid cafe latte, for which we will first boil our milk.
For the Cupid latte, we'll add 1 tablespoon instant coffee into our mug. We'll add half tablespoon of cocoa powder into our mug. Sugar according to your taste. And red food color because it is red velvet.
We'll add 1 tablespoon water and mix everything well.
Now we will slowly add our frothy milk.
Now we will top it with some marshmallows. Some choco chips and my favorite Kit Kat, and your cafe latte is ready.